Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Today, we're going to help our legs feel strong, steady, and happy. If you like doing yoga with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get ready to move and have fun. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Feet together or hip width, knees bent like sitting in an invisible chair, arms lifted overhead, long spine. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Front knee bent, front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Stand with feet wide apart, toes turned out. Bend knees deeply. Bring arms up with elbows bent at shoulder level. Strong and grounded. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Front knee bent, back leg long and strong, fingertips on the mat for balance. Repeat on both sides, right, then left. One knee bent deeply, other leg extended to the side, hands together at chest. Repeat on left and right sides. Feet slightly wider than hips, bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Lie on your back and stretch one leg up while holding behind the thigh. Opposite leg stays long. Switch sides. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Let's take slow, happy breaths together for 30 seconds. Breathe in and feel your legs rest. Breathe out and feel calm and strong. You did an amazing job today. Your legs worked so hard and you should feel very proud. If you enjoyed this yoga flow, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Bye, yoga buddies. See you next time on Yoga with Jade and Mel. Namaste.